Hey guys, finally you're here. Guys, welcome to Tathaartlovers. Have you ever thought of if your painting is not just coming at the bar? So there'll be some tips and tricks which can change the whole lot of game. So guys, if you admire painting, so this Tathaartlovers is all about what you want to see. Tathaartlover brings you the most versatile YouTube channel. At least I haven't found one of the most I can say, because a channel which can teach you or give you lesson about still life, about portrait, about landscape, cityscape, seascape, your favorite pets, your kittens. We have covered already a lot of topics, and still we are gonna go far. Whole lot of things in our bag which we are going to be putting out, and we are putting out our videos every week. I can bet you guys you are gonna love these videos. Also, we are working on online lessons. So guys, it will be a pleasure to meet you in one of my videos. Thank you in advance. Please remember, painting is not God gifted, it is indeed cultivated. So guys, with that said, subscribe. Do I even speak English? Anyway guys, I will cut this up. Okay, so guys, you know what to do guys. I don't want to say this. Keep watching my channel guys. I'll try my best to keep you happy, satisfied, and will be able to give you a lot of value. So Tathaartlovers signing out.